The 2026 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle camper represents a bold evolution of long-distance touring, combining Honda's legendary Goldwing comfort with futuristic electric mobility and integrated camper functionality. Designed for riders who want luxury, stability, and self-sufficient travel, this concept trike redefines what a touring motorcycle can be. At the heart of the machine is a fully electric powertrain, replacing the traditional flat-six engine of the classic Goldwing. The electric motor delivers instant torque, smooth acceleration, and near-silent operation, making long rides more relaxing and environmentally friendly. Power is transferred efficiently to the rear wheels, ensuring strong pulling ability even when the camper module is fully loaded. Regenerative braking helps recharge the battery during deceleration, improving overall range and efficiency. The tricycle layout is a key feature of this model. With one wide front wheel and two rear wheels supporting the camper body, the bike offers exceptional stability at low and high speeds. This configuration is ideal for touring riders, older motorcyclists, or anyone who values confidence and balance over traditional two-wheel dynamics. Advanced electronic stability control, traction control, and anti-lock braking systems work together to keep the vehicle planted on all road surfaces. Visually, the design is futuristic and aerodynamic. The enclosed front cockpit features sharp LED headlights, a wide panoramic windscreen, and sleek body lines that reduce wind resistance. The rider sits inside a semi-enclosed cabin, protected from weather by reinforced glass panels and insulated bodywork. Heated windscreen technology and climate control ensure comfort in both hot and cold conditions. One of the most distinctive features is the integrated camper module at the rear. Unlike traditional motorcycles that require external trailers, this concept incorporates a compact living space directly into the vehicle. The camper includes a fold-out sleeping area suitable for one or two people, built-in storage cabinets, and a small kitchenette with electric cooking capability. Solar panels integrated into the roof help charge auxiliary batteries for lighting, appliances, and electronics when parked. Inside the rider cockpit, the technology package is extensive. A large digital dashboard displays speed, range, navigation, battery status, and ride modes. The infotainment system supports voice commands, smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth headsets, and over-the-air software updates. Advanced GPS navigation is optimized for touring, showing charging stations, campgrounds, and scenic routes. Comfort has always been a Goldwing hallmark, and this electric trike takes it further. The seat is wide, heated, and ventilated, with memory foam padding designed for all-day riding. Adjustable footrests, an ergonomic handlebar position, and adaptive suspension ensure a smooth ride even on rough roads. The rear suspension automatically adjusts based on load, keeping ride height and handling consistent whether the camper is empty or fully equipped. Safety is another major focus. The bike includes radar-based rider assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, collision warning, and lane change assist. A 360-degree camera system aids parking and low-speed maneuvering, especially useful given the vehicle's size. High-visibility LED lighting and reflective body panels enhance nighttime safety. Charging flexibility is built in. The battery system supports fast DC charging for quick stops and standard AC charging for overnight stays at campsites or home. Smart energy management prioritizes riding range while balancing camper power needs, ensuring the rider is never stranded. In essence, the 2026 Honda Goldwing electric tricycle camper is a vision of the future, a luxury electric touring machine that blends motorcycle freedom, car-like comfort, and camper independence. It is designed for riders who want to travel far, stay longer, and do so with maximum comfort, safety, and sustainability without giving up the spirit of the open